Hello my friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for seeing this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. In this video I will trade on the Pocket Option platform using the latest version of the VFX Pro Signal. If you want to download and join the VFX Signal, please check the video description. These are the signal options available in the VFX service. Make sure the market you choose is available in this service to continue trading. Here we can see that for the EUR JPY market, the VFX signal indicates to make lower purchases. Use trend forecast to check the overall trend and only trade if the trend direction matches the signal direction unless you are trading trend reversal signals. After joining VFX Alert, all you need to do is open the broker's menu, choose your favorite broker, and start trading. Make sure to click Signals next to the broker's menu. As a pro-level member, you get access to additional long-term signals for the end of the trading day, so make sure you upgrade your signal to Pro to get additional signals, and the accuracy is very high. This is amazing. We get a very extraordinary advantage, as I said that for a pro account the accuracy is very high. You need to know that this signal can work for all binary and forex brokers. Please check the description to get it and start making money with the latest version of VFX Alert Pro Signal service. you.